I'm sitting here with Andrew and we're eating strawberries. I think he likes them, but he makes a funny face. Looks like a lot of them are ending up in his lap. Here. That one too. Let's try one more. You gotta chew it. You gotta chew it and swallow it. You gotta reach those pieces. Can you reach? Uh-oh. Okay, I'll help you. Are you gonna eat them or are you just gonna drop them in your lap? Here. Okay. One more. You gotta open your mouth. Okay, I think we're done. Say bye-bye.